Oh my God! Oh my God!
Limbo!
You will call me with that! What do I have against them? They must have a weakness. They have to have a weakness. They have a weakness. I have that weakness right here.
Oh, yeah, right. Like
No, yeah, right.
What?
What the?
No, wait, where'd it go? Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, well, we're supernatural beings.
Clear your head, Ryan, and don't listen to them.
I like beans.
Yeah, like
Red beans or green beans or black beans. I like
Can you
black
get back to the subject?
Oh, okay. Oh, ow. Wait, your weakness. I erase your halo. I erase your little halo.
I'm not in charge anymore.
You are mortal now. Stop making sounds.
Limbo.
You die. And now for you, my little friend.
Limbo. No. Yes, Limbo.
The pleasure of killing you. Okay, I sit down now. Okay, wait, Limbo, my love. Do you love me too?
Okay, no. Go eat a pig.
How long have you, what? How long have you been there?
Yo, long enough. Come on.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't mean it. No, wait, come back. No, wait, Limbo, my love, Limbo. He left us. We are alone. He's back. Yes, I knew it. He's the one. I'm sorry, Limbo, but I found someone else.